Hi everyone and welcome back. So today I'm going to show you how to use an antenna on your Roku TV. Just to connect your antenna on the back of your TV, scroll down and go to settings, then TV inputs, press OK on your remote, scroll down to live TV, press OK on your remote and press setup input. You will get this menu. You have four options: streaming TV only if you want live TV. So this is what I'm talking about today, antenna. So just press antenna. Make sure to adjust your antenna in all directions to find the best signal and receive the maximum number of channels. Adjust antenna while your TV is searching for channels. And remember, your antenna has to be close to a window if you are using an indoor one. That's it for today. Please subscribe if it's the first time you're watching my videos. See you in the next one.